Hi everyone, and welcome to Creative Chelsea. Today I would like to share with you my upcoming online card class for June 2023. In this class, we will be creating 6 outdoor and adventure themed handmade cards with your choice of stamp set. I will be making my cards with the Reach for the Stars, Greatest Journey, Legendary Ride, and the Gone Fishing stamp sets. You will also need the coordinating die for the stamp set you choose. You can see my product list, and I'll link all of those things in the description below. You can choose which set you want to use or pick one that you already own. Look for images that work well with neutral and pops of fun, bright colors. I hope you decide to join me. It will be a great class full of adventure. To sign up for this class, please go to my blog, creativechelsea.com. The direct link is also below in the description. I'm excited to share these cards with you today, so let's check them out now. Here are the different stamp sets and bundles that I will be using to create my cards, and I want to show you each card and then organize them by stamp set. So here is the first card. This is the layout that we will be creating for the first card, and you can see the different variations that I will be creating with those different stamp sets and bundles. So for this class, I wanted to showcase stamp sets that have fun, outdoor, or adventure themes. As you can see, there are 6 different card layouts that work well with all 4 of the stamp sets. If you want, you can make these cards with stamp sets that you already own. There are little tips and techniques I'm excited to share with you for each of these cards, and we'll go over those during the live classes during the class. These cards are neutral with pops of bright color, which give these cards a fun look, perfect for your outdoor enthusiasts and adventurers. If you would like to make multiple sets of cards, I will be offering a cardstock refill kit for $15 that can be purchased along with a full kit. Get the details on my blog. I am so excited to make these cards. I can hardly wait for the class to begin. I hope you decide to join me. It's going to be a really fun class, full of adventure. This class will run from Monday, June 26th through Saturday, July 1st. We will meet each day during the week to create one of the 6 cards. This class is open to everyone, demonstrators and customers. Participants can join me live at 10 a.m. Mountain Time for the sessions during the week, or can watch the replay videos at their leisure. The class fee is $35. You can register through my blog, creativechelsea.com, and again, the direct link is below in the description. Registration for this class closes on Saturday, June 10th, so sign up as soon as possible to reserve your spot. When you sign up, you will receive a class kit. This kit is only available to participants in the United States. If you live outside of the US, you can choose the tutorial only option. This kit will include cardstock, card bases, and envelopes. No pre-cut shapes will be included. 6 sheets of vellum layering designs, which is a retired product. New 3 twine combo pack, which is also a retired product, and a new pack of classic matte dots. If you would like to make multiple sets of cards, I will be offering a cardstock refill kit for $15 that can be purchased along with a full kit. It includes everything except for the twine and embellishments. You can purchase as many of either kits as you would like. Get the details on my blog. Please note that I reserve the right to switch products based on availability. Substituted products will be of similar value and keep the integrity of the design. All of my online classes are done through a private Facebook group. In this group, we will have 6 Facebook Live sessions scheduled at 10 a.m. Mountain Time each day during the week. In each session, I will walk you through how to make the card and show you the techniques needed. If you are able to join me live, you can also ask questions and get personal help. These video sessions will be recorded and will stay in the group so you can watch the replay at any time. I will be posting written PDF instructions for each card in the group as well. If you are not on Facebook, you can still participate through email. After each session, I will send you a link to watch the replay along with the PDFs with step-by-step instructions. To participate in this class and complete these cards, you will need to have these supplies. They will not be provided to you in your class kit. These items are listed in the class details on my blog. If you need to purchase any of these items, please purchase them through my online store and use the host code provided on my blog. I recommend the Legendary Ride, Reach for the Stars, Greatest Journey, or the Gone Fishing stamp set, and the coordinating dies that go with those stamp sets. Now, you don't need to have them all to take this class. You can just choose one and purchase one class kit to make one set of cards. You will also need the All That dies. These will cut out our labels for the cards, and they're really great to have for any occasion. You will also want to have a blender pen, some sponge daubers, some white craft ink, the Memento Black ink pad, along with Night of Navy, Crumb Cake, Garden Green, Pumpkin Pie, Coastal Cabana, and Crushed Curry ink pads. And then I'm also going to be using either the Timber 3D embossing folder or the Metal Plate 3D embossing folder. However, if you have something else that you would like to use, you're welcome to use that instead. Here are the tools and the adhesive you will need to make these cards. You will want to have your Take Your Pick tool, paper trimmer, Stampin' Cut and Emboss machine, ribbon, scissors, and paper snips, a Simply chamois or something else to clean your stamp sets. I like to also have a bone folder and of course the coordinating clear blocks. For adhesive, you'll just want to choose your favorite. I recommend having mini glue dots, Stampin' Dimensionals, Stampin' Seal or Stampin' Seal Plus, tear and tape, and then you'll also want to have some adhesive sheets for some of the small die cuts that we will be doing. I am so excited for this class and hope you decide to join me. Sign up today through my blog, creativechelsea.com, and the links are in the description below. Thanks so much for watching. Have a creative day. Bye.